Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add code to header in WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar. Then simply it will take you to the login page, then put in your login credentials there, and after that it will simply take you to this page. From here you have to just simply click on the edit site option in the quick link section in the right hand side. After that it will simply take you to this site like this, and it depends on your site. And after that what you need to do is simply click on the header option from here. And once you click on the header site, you have to just simply click on the edit option here. Here you can see the edit option, and after that here you can see it has taken us to another page. And now you have to just simply click on the three dot icon in the top navigation bar, and here you have to just simply click on the code editor. And here you can see that the header, all the code is already showing here. Now you can just add HTML or remove HTML from here, and now you can just simply click on the save icon. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.